Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 4. We are learning Unit 7. Its title is Cultural Festival of Chitral. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we'll continue reading and understanding the text and we'll complete the comprehension. Before this, in English for grade 3, I have taught you how to respond to text by applying post-reading strategies. So we are going to extend the practice to apply while reading strategies, to interact with the text, to scan or locate specific information, to answer short questions. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Fatir, verse 28. So only those of his servants who have knowledge of these realities with a vision and outlook fear him. Surely Allah is Almighty, most forgiving. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us? That we fear Allah only if we have knowledge. Okay, so we should attain knowledge because we want to connect ourselves with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah is Almighty, Allah is most forgiving. Now, my dear children, by looking at this text, if I ask you, what is the behavior of people who have knowledge? You'll say they fear Allah, right? And if I ask you, who is Almighty? Allah. Who is most forgiving? Allah. Most forgiving is Allah. So beta, this is how by reading text, we ask questions and we scan the answers from the text quickly, right? We have already practiced, so we will practice it again today. First, we have read a part of this unit yesterday, and you tell me what is the most exciting feature of Chandur Polo Festival. Okay, pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, have you answered it? All right, now it's time to read the rest of the part of this unit, and this is the point. I'm going to start reading. Listen carefully because after me you will read it, and also listen carefully because I may ask different questions. Okay, so here is we going to start. Hotels provide the visitors with the best services. The tent village for tourists with cafe facilities also fulfills most of the visitors' needs. During the tournament, people come to attend this festival one day in advance to enjoy all the performances. They enjoy trout fishing at the nearby stream and lakes, folk dance and music of the northern areas. Now, my dear students, if I stop here and I ask you, what do the tourists enjoy in this festival? You will quickly find out they enjoy trout fishing, they enjoy folk dance, and they enjoy music of northern areas, right? And folk means traditional, which is related to a specific place. Do you understand? This is how through text we scan the answers of short questions, right? Cultural shows at, so I'll continue reading. First, you tell me what is the most exciting feature of Chandur Festival. Now you will answer this question by scanning from the text. Okay, so pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, have you scanned the answer? Good job. So cultural shows at Chandur include music and dance performance by different groups, climbing, trekking, hiking, and horse riding. Okay, so these are the activities. What they are? Dance performances and climbing, trekking. What is trekking, by the way? Trekking and hiking. But the trekking is a short when you walk for a short distance, it can be a difficult path you take, that's trekking, and hiking it is for long distance, but it is upward walking, when you're walking upward like on a mountain. Okay, so people over there, they do trekking, hiking, and horse riding. Visitors enjoy the view of clear lakes, snow-covered mountains, alpine flowers, and vast grassy plains. It provides visitors with a chance to know about the lifestyle of the people of this area. Traders from Peshawar, Chitral, and Gilgit-Baltistan set up their folk craft shops. During the festival, the main attraction of Chitral is its people. The Collage means the people of Chitral are called the Collage, right? They live at some distance from the main Chitral town. Women wear black decorated dresses and a unique headdress. So what do the women wear? They wear black decorated dresses and unique headdress, right? But are you getting it? This is how we can make questions and answers. So their houses are built up of stones and mud. Cultivation, and what does cultivation mean? Growing something in the land. And livestock, and what does livestock mean? Farm animals. Okay, farm animals. So cultivation and livestock are their main occupations. Now, if I ask you what are the main occupations of people of Chitral, you will quickly tell me cultivation and livestock. All right. They speak the Kalasha language, means the language over there is Kalasha, and the culture of the Collage people is unique. They have shrines and altars throughout the valley. All right. So now these are the post-reading questions. What is the language of Collage people, and did you attend any cultural festival? Now you will pause the video, answer this question by scanning, and after answering, read the text again and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time for your activity. What we are going to do, teacher will divide class into groups, and now teacher will ask questions from the text and students will raise hands to answer. The group with more correct and quick answer will win. Right? So pause the video and make sure you have to answer by scanning. Okay, pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time for your comprehension. It's part A and B we have already done yesterday. So these are the questions your teacher will ask you. You have to answer by locating, scanning the text, and then write the answers in your notebook. Also, complete these multiple choice questions and mark the correct choice. Complete this in your book and write the answers in your notebook and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. It's time for your homework. You will use these words in your own sentences and you will write sentences in your notebook. Here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet's lesson plan and PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what you are going to do, you will read the text and you will answer these questions by scanning the text. Okay. So what we have learned today, we learned to interact with the text while reading to answer short questions, and in this way we achieved our SLO to apply while reading strategies to interact with the text to scan or locate specific information to answer short questions. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.